Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is actually going to be our day 3 of trying to clean the car. As you can see, I got the seats off. We're going to try to do a deep clean on these, trying to do this outside of the car. Trying to get these stains out of here. I think it would be a lot easier for me to clean it outside. And I'm kind of glad I actually took them out, because I'm going to show you guys the interior right now, and it's a mess. So starting with the driver's seat, in between the seat and our center console, there's always going to be a mess there, because people be eating and stuff in the car. Back seat, all the junk that's been falling in between the cracks, look at that. And now ready for the big mess. I thought I did a good job when I vacuumed the car, but never mind. So luckily for us, it's a hot day, so I'm gonna try to clean our seats first, so then I could have that drying with the sun, and while that dries I can work on the interior. So let's get started. Alright guys, we finally finished putting the whole interior back together. I know it's kind of bright, but I mean, everything's all nice and clean now for the most part. So now for my favorite part, cleaning up the AC. So I did put a new air filter, and not putting a new AC, but air freshener. So right now I'm gonna turn on the bomb. It's a Meguiar's, what is it? Whole car air refresher. So what you do is just shake it a little bit. You need the AC running on full blast, circulating, and then you're gonna just release the bomb. So we're just gonna prep it right now. Full cold, recirc, AC on high, let it blow. Making sure all the vents are open. Yeah, auto seems fine. Yeah, auto's fine. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn on the bomb. 3, actually I wanna open the door first. Need a quick getaway. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. And get, go, get! Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes and it smells really good in here. After the 15 minutes, you're supposed to have your windows down. Let it air out for another 15 minutes, and then after that, you're good. It will smell really strong for the first couple of days. But after a while, it'll like mellow down, you'll get used to it, and then, I mean, this is the second car I've used this, and I'm really happy with it. I wouldn't use it if you have a brand new car, because that new car smells just so good. But if you bought like a used beater like us, perfect way to go. But I think that's gonna be it for today. We finally got the car all cleaned up, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Later.